Hey, what's up? What's up? This your boy Ray Mack. Glad to meet you. All right, check this out, y'all. Today, what we did is some bang bang shrimp pasta, and this right here is definitely some good stuff. And I'm hoping that you guys can stay tuned to watch the video from beginning to end, because if you don't watch this from beginning to end, you're definitely gonna miss a good recipe. So before we go into anything else, y'all, let's get into the video. So I'm trying something new. All right, trying to see if this will work out. You let me know if this work or not. But this is what we're going to do. We're going to do some bang bang shrimp pasta. This is what we got right now for the table, y'all. This is all of our ingredients. So I have right here like 20 large shrimps that's in this here bowl right here. So I went and I'm already then pretty much, man, I got these things soaking. So I'm going to go ahead and take the shells off of these. And they've already been deveined, but I'm going to go over just to make sure that all of that stuff is gone out of them. Alright, so that's first and foremost. Alright, so we got the shrimp out of the way. Here are the rest of the ingredients. I got some linguine. Along with that, I got some olive oil. I got some minced garlic. And I have some paprika with some black pepper, some parsley, and some garlic and herb seasoning. That's what we're going to use on that end. Now over here, this is what we're going to use to make our bang bang sauce. Alright, so we have some sweet chili sauce. Then we have some sriracha along with some honey. Got to have something in that honey. That honey make it kind of sweet. Then we have some Duke's mayonnaise. Alright, and in this little container right here, I have some red pepper flakes. And I do have a little bit of the jalapenos and some ghost peppers mixed up in there as well. I just want mine a little spicy. But if you want to try this recipe, you can either use just your regular red pepper flakes, or you don't have to use none at all. But hey, bang bang shrimp ain't bang bang shrimp if it ain't spicy. So with all of this being said, y'all, let's go ahead, man, and get into this here recipe. And I hope you try it and love it. Mwah. Let's go.
Alright, right now we want to cook our fettuccine noodles, and I want you to follow the directions that's on the back of the box and cook your noodles until they are al dente. Now I want you to go ahead and make sure that the shrimp is deveined and remove the shells from the shrimp. So I'm going to add some of this here minced garlic, about 1 tablespoon. Then I want to add me some black pepper. And some garlic and herb seasoning. Some paprika. And some parsley. So we just want to combine all of the seasonings with the shrimp. Now we're going to go ahead and make our bang bang shrimp sauce. I'm adding in some mayonnaise, some Duke mayo. Then I'm adding in my sweet chili sauce. Along with that, a touch of honey. And I'm adding in some of this here sriracha sauce. And some red pepper flakes. This is totally optional if you want to omit this here seasoning. So we just want to combine everything well. All right, we got a hot skillet. Now we're gonna go ahead and cook our shrimp. We just wanna cook this shrimp 2 minutes per side. That's all we wanna do is cook it for 2 minutes per side. Right now I want you to take out your shrimp, but do not clean this skillet. We want to leave all our bits and pieces inside the skillet, and we want to add our cooked pasta inside this here skillet. And I want you to combine those flavors with that pasta. Then we're gonna add just a little bit more of this here garlic and herb seasoning to your pasta. We want to give some of this flavor deep down up inside that pasta as well. Add your shrimp to your pasta. Along with that, I want you to add some of this here bang bang shrimp sauce to your shrimp and pasta. But I want you also to reserve some of that sauce for later. You're definitely gonna need it. You're about to throw down on something nice, I'm telling you right now. Now let's go ahead and plate this pasta up. We've been waiting for so long. Now once you get it all plated up, I want you to go ahead and sprinkle you some of that dried parsley right on top just for garnishing. And then I want you to go ahead and enjoy this here pasta. Trust and believe me, you will love it. I want to thank y'all so much for watching this here video. If there is something that you would like to see in the near future, please go ahead and comment below. Also give this video a thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber of Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill, go ahead and subscribe now. And also check out these videos as well. I'm pretty sure you will like what you see. And I always say this at the end of all of my videos: love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.